Today I attempt to repair the motor in my convertible. Gotta unlock the top manually. If you see right here, it's going up slowly but surely. See, next you want to get a T30 and a trim tool. There's a T30 right there. There it is. So you can see that that's off right there. They go 1 and 2. You gotta get a 5mm in there. You gotta twist it and loosen it so the top can loosen, but you gotta loosen this one on the other side as well. There's a 5mm hex in here, but you kinda gotta jiggle it around to find it. And now the roof bends. Now I gotta take out the back seat so the roof could drop. Back seat, right? I'm gonna push this button down and turn this. Make sure these 2 wires are forward. Do the Michael Jordan ball stretch and try to sandwich these motherfuckers together. If you fold the top up a good amount, where my finger is, there's T20 bolts that you have to get to. They said they don't have to be removed, they just have to be loosened. There's 6 of these. They don't need 9 of these shits. T10s. The ones on the inside are T20s. Finally got it out. Now I gotta take this apart. Gotta take these 6 off so I can get inside the actual motor. See what's wrong with it. Take it off, and so we got it open. If this is the problem with my convertible top, this will be cracked. It's cracked right there. This is the problem with why my convertible top won't drop. You see how this one cracked? Because it's plastic. These are metal. This one is this one. Drop it right back down. Boom, boom. Take the washer, put it on. Boom. Boom. That's how it's. Put everything back together, the 6 bolts.
3 hours later.